Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll be giving you a quick comparison between Zoho Books and QuickBooks Online. This is useful for choosing the best accounting tool for your business in 2025. So for the first one, which is the interface and usability. Zoho Books has clean and intuitive interface with easy navigations for invoices, bills, and reports, while QuickBooks Online has slightly more complex but offers advanced automation for larger businesses. So for the second one, which is the features comparison, ZoBooks has expense tracking, customer management, and multi-currency support and workflow automation. On the other hand, QuickBooks Online has advanced payroll, inventory management, and tax automation. For the third one, which is pricing, Zoho Books is affordable and it has affordable monthly plans and free trial available, while QuickBooks Online has higher price point but extensive features. For integration, both integrate with payment gateways, CRMs, and bank accounts, but Zoho Books is better for small businesses. So, if you want simplicity and affordability, then you should choose Zoho Books. But if you want robust enterprise features, then you should choose QuickBooks Online. And yeah, that's basically just it. And I hope you now know the right management tool for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next one.